কি জিনিস? গান? এদের কি মারো? মারো না কিটা দিয়ে? পাথর ঢুকিয়ে? উল্লি লাগবে। Hello friends, welcome to Seven Leaves. Welcome to a brand new vlog. So today I have come very close to Shonbil. It's actually called Anandapur in the district Karimganj. It takes about 2.5 hours to reach here via Hailakandi. So we are going to explore Shonbil today. Actually this is a place, this is a tilla of my aunt, actually my aunt's father's house. So we are here. This place is very beautiful and it's just near Shonbil, and we are going to explore this place.
Tinggal dulu, tinggal dulu.
Jadi mau? We have reached Shonbil Eco Park. Shonbil is one of the largest freshwater bills of Asia. It's rich in aquatic flora, fauna. Many migratory birds come here, and rainy season is the best time to visit this place. And this place reminds me of Baratang Islands, Andaman. If you have seen my amazing Andaman Baratang vlogs, then you must have noticed this type of alley there. It's quite similar, and work is going on to convert it into a Ramsar site. It's in Barak Valley, so let's see and explore Shonbil. Kalibari, which is also near Shonbil. And to talk about Shonbil, there is lots to talk. I'll try to link some articles and some scientific articles about this place in the description box, so do check the description box. And most interestingly, the one person who worked on this Shonbil, he is Dr. Devashish Kaur, and with the students of Assam University are lucky that he was one of our teachers. He has retired. He made Shonbil world famous through his research work, and we got classes under him in our first semester, so that's great. I'll try to link some of his articles in the description, so check them out. And you can definitely come and visit this place, but I'll suggest you to come in the morning, early morning or late evening, because this is a time when you have sun at the top and it's very humid and hot here, so that's the good time to visit this place. I have returned from Shonbil. It was a wonderful trip, although we couldn't watch any birds or fishes, but it was worth the while. And I have found this cute little place where I can end my vlog. Yes, I am ending this vlog. So we went there at around 11:30 and we returned at 12:45. So you can understand that the sun was above our head, and I would not recommend you to come at this time. We were sweating, but thankfully wind was blowing. So the best time to visit, as I have said earlier, is early in the morning or late in the evening, and during the monsoon season when the bill is full. And if you are a science student or enthusiast, then maybe you have to stay here to watch more of the biodiversity. So that is it. I hope you will visit this place soon, but wait, if you are outside Assam or even in Assam, if you stay like far away from Shonbil, then like in Upper Assam or something, then, and if you plan to visit this place, so so there was an interruption by my little brother. He intended to say that some monkeys came, and yeah, so I was telling you, if you live in Upper Assam and if you want to visit this place, then plan accordingly, plan your stay here, otherwise you will not be able to explore this place. So I think I'll better end this vlog somewhere else. I'm ending this video here. I hope you like it, and if you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, comment down your thoughts below, share this video with everyone, and please subscribe to 7 Leaves for more such videos. So see you next time. Until then, keep smiling, be happy. Bye.